Do you want to enable two-factor authentication on your GitHub account? Let me show you how to do that. Once you're inside GitHub, click your account on the upper right-hand side and go to the settings. And from the left-hand side, you want to go ahead and click on password and authentication. Now, this is going to show you all you need to know about the password, set password, reset password, passkey, all of those stuff. But if you scroll down, you will see two-factor authentication and it's going to say enable it. So you want to go ahead and click on that and you want to use the authenticator app on your phone. So if you don't have it, you can simply go to your Play Store or your App Store and download the authentication app. And you will see as well that it's giving you some instruction right here as well. It says authentication app and browser extension like 1Password or Auth or Microsoft Authentication. Whichever one you choose, go ahead and do that. You will need to scan this code here. And if you're unable to scan, you want to go ahead and enter verification code right here to continue. You'll be able to set that up, guys, and you can even set up SMS authentication as well. So that's pretty much it. Steps are pretty straightforward and pretty clear. You just need to ensure that you have both app to sync and you'll be able to set that up. And that's pretty much it.